We are here to rescue some hens. Oh, that's the latest issue. We got that. Thank you. Oh, I'm just taking a video for YouTube.
Oh, of course.
Oh, lovely. Hello.
How many will come for?
Oh, 4.
Well, that's it, that will be one.
Yeah.
This is number one.
Why
You
not?
got a name yet, or
Yes, why not?
why not's the name?
Lottie? Because they are going to Allotment, we call them Lottie.
Ah, perfect.
Okay, now we got the chickens. The car will not let us to have anything on the back seat without having the seat belt on. So we have done the seat belt on the box, as you can see here. So 4 chickens going for a new home. And I can put these things here so they will not block our view. This is the hens and this is the coop we have prepared for them. Let's see what we are.
This is our little, these are not cage birds, they're free range, but there's 2. And there's one that's going to come out. And she doesn't know where she seems very friendly. She's not frightened people, you know.
Yeah.
And this one's the same. They seem quite. This one's a bit of a moaner, but there we go. We want to just to.
Go for the next
And
one.
we're going to go to the next one, which I think these boxes they're not dirty. And these ones,
They are rescue hens.
yeah, these are rescue hens, and this one's a little bit ruffled, aren't they?
She had been with a rooster. The rooster was
Yeah.
mounting on her. That's where the rooster
They haven't
grabbed.
got fleas or anything like that,
No,
or
no.
parasite. What you're looking at is the follicles of their new feathers growing.
Yeah, that's the new feathers.
So
are growing
these are the
back.
new feathers.
Yeah.
And just, oh!
They have laid an egg. Oh, hallelujah. We are back in
Oh my
production.
God, we got a little egg.
Immediately.
And I don't think they've actually.
Can you just
Switch on
hold it steady? Don't move it. Don't move it, please.
And you.
That is a beauty.
So what we're going to do?
Bring some food for them.
We'll bring some food. We'll settle them in, and then we'll rotate them back and forth to the other side, to the orchard.
Oh, they already started to scratch.
Yeah, so they're quite happy. So we just left clumps of hay and straw so they could scratch it up and do what they like with it.
That's the chicken's life. Scratch.
Yeah, they got plenty of